Okay, so we start with self-confidence. What is self-confidence? Can I have an
अपने
answer?
ऊपर
हाँ,
मैम अपने ऊपर बिलीव करना, अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंट रहना,
वेरी गुड.
सब
अपने
कुछ
ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंट रहना,
कॉन्फिडेंट रहना,
आत्मविश्वास. करेक्ट.
आत्मविश्वास. यस मैम.
Very good, very good. Anybody else? So we call it as believing in yourself. Is called as self-confidence. I will tell you what actually makes you lack self-confidence. It's our own belief. What do you see there? वहाँ पे आपको क्या दिख रहा है? Raise your hand and I will unmute you.
मैम हाथी है, उसमें एलिफेंट है, उसको बांधा गया है उससे.
उसको बांधा गया है.
हाँ
दोनों पिक्चर में.
हाँ, दोनों पिक्चर में वही है.
दोनों पिक्चर में क्या दिख रहा है आपको? एलोबरेट करो उसमें जो आपने बोला, उसको और डिटेल में पता मुझे.
मैम एक को झाड़ से बांधा गया है, एक को नेल से बांधा है.
Archana, who said that actually? Somebody else said that.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बेटा. Raksana, just 1 second. I'll give you a chance. हाँ बोलो.
एक को मैम झाड़ से बांधा
एक
गया
हाथी
है और
हम्म. One at a time. Yeah. अर्चना बताओ. अर्चना शुक्ला.
एक जो हाथी छोटी है उसको
हाँ.
झाड़ से बांधा गया है
हम्म.
और एक हाथी को छोटा कुछ लकड़ी का उससे बांधा गया है.
ठीक है. तो आपको इसमें से क्या सीख मिलती है?
कि वो जो छोटी वाली हाथी है उसको कोई मतलब ऐसा फर्क नहीं दिख रहा है, पर बड़ी वाली हाथी सैड सैड दिख रही है.
अच्छा. और कुछ? Anybody
वो
else? हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो. Yes.
एक्चुअल बड़ी वाली हाथी ट्राई कर सकती है अपने आप को निकालने का उससे.
ओके.
मैम
रही
बड़ी
है
वाली
क्या?
हाथी में सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, वरना वो खुद से निकल सकती है.
अच्छा, may I know who's this? I'm not able to see. Who's
जयश्री
this?
मैम.
हाँ जयश्री बोलो. Yesterday you were not there. I called out. I thought I'll ask you about
नहीं
your goal.
मैम,
हाँ.
नहीं मैम मैं थी, बट मेरा नेटवर्क कनेक्शन सही नहीं था.
Okay, okay, no problem.
मैंने पूरा मैंने आपका देखी थी.
Okay.
आपने वो अतीरा का एग्जांपल लिया था
बराबर.
और सब कुछ
Because you
मैम
wanted
मैंने
your
देखा था.
हाँ, you wanted your example to be shared, ना? So I said I called out
ma'am.
also. अच्छा ठीक है.
Yes,
Coming
ma'am.
back to what we were talking. बड़ी वाली हाथी
ये
में आपको दिख रहा है
हाँ
सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस
वो
नहीं है.
हाँ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, वरना वो खुद से निकल सकता है.
अच्छा, दोनों को मैं रिलेट करूं मेरे वर्ड्स में, मेरे शब्दों में.
यस
मैं
मैम.
यहाँ पे क्या देख रही हूँ, देखो जब हम छोटे थे हमारे काफी, यहाँ पे देखो ये कितना बड़ा लकड़ी है. सो प्रोबेबली उसका जो स्ट्रेंथ है, इट इज नॉट इनफ टू ब्रेक इट ओपन. उसको बांधा गया है, बचपन से इसको बांधा गया है. तो वही जो आती है ना, आई मीन दैट कम्स इन, दैट इज इनबिल्ट इनटू दिस हाथी. जब वो बड़ा होता है, वो इतना वीक नहीं है कि ये तोड़ के भागने में उसको टाइम नहीं लगता है. बराबर. If it thinks within seconds it can break open this and go. But जब बचपन से बांधा गया है, उसको लगता है मुझे बांधा गया है and I am limited to this. Correct?
यस.
तो इसका कॉन्फिडेंस जो है लो हो जाता है. So the beliefs that you are carrying makes you lack your self confidence. समझ में आ रहा है आपको मैंने क्यों
Yes,
बताई थी? Are you all following?
Yes.
So once we break open this belief, we can be free from all these things, right? So
Yes.
what is a self-confidence? As you said, Atmavishwas, a sense of belief. And then it also talks about, I can do this. अगर वो बड़े हाथी ने तोड़ के, या छोटा हाथी जो है बचपन में ट्राई करता है, बट जब लकड़ी बड़ा है उससे नहीं होता है, तब से बंद कर देता है ट्राई करना. करेक्ट. दैट इज ऑल्सो वन वे ऑफ टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. जब बचपन में आप ट्राई करते हो, यू आर नॉट एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ इट. एक तो बचपन में उसको स्ट्रेंथ कम रहता है शायद से, उसको पता नहीं है, सो दे कीप इट टाइट सो दैट इट डजंट रन अवे. बट जैसे जैसे बड़ा होता है, इट सेज आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू ब्रेक ओपन दिस thread, yeah, I mean this rope from this pole or whatever. सो उसको वही बिलीफ में वो बैठा रहता है. सो दैट इज वाई वी से बचपन में जो हमारे ऊपर इंस्टिल किया गया है वो कॉन्फिडेंस हम में रहता है. आर यू फॉलोइंग? जो भी बिलीफ हम में डाला गया है वही कॉन्फिडेंस हम में आगे तक जाता है. बट यू नो वी ऑल हैव ग्रोन, वी ऑल हैव सो मच ऑफ एक्सपोजर, मीडिया वगैरह देखते रहते हैं ना. So we should be
Yes.
able to come out of our belief. It should not be very difficult for us to come out of our belief. That is what I personally feel. So when I say self-confidence is a sense of belief that I can do this. It's a positive feeling. मैं कर सकती हूँ. कल जब रुखसाना ने मुझे बताया जो सोचते हैं होता नहीं है, क्या आपने ट्राई किया रुखसाना करने को? It helps you face your challenges. Think over, रुखसाना. Maybe you don't need to answer, but आप सोचो. मैंने कितना ट्राई किया, मैंने बस सोचा. उसके लिए एक कदम आगे बढ़ाया होता तो maybe I could have been successful. Self confidence helps you face challenges, right? Challenges जो है आगे जाके क्या होगा किसी को पता नहीं है, but then at least I should start facing. आगे जाके जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. That spirit has to be built into me. And I should feel good about myself. I am not worthy of anything. ऐसे आप सोचोगे नहीं होगा कुछ भी. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
So you need to start trying, only then you will build your self-confidence. So why is it important? Why am I going too fast today? Because I want to complete on time, right?
Yes.
But I want your
Okay.
inputs also.
Okay.
Self-confidence जो है बहुत important है because it is boosting up my courage. What is courage?
साहस.
साहस. Can you हाँ बोलो.
किसी चीज को करने की हिम्मत.
Very good. किसी
ऐसा.
चीज को करने की हिम्मत, right?
हाँ.
I should dare to do something first of all, right?
Yes.
And yes, I'm muting all of you. हाँ बेटा बोलो. You have something to speak. Okay. And then it boosts up my self-esteem. Self-esteem क्या है? What is self-esteem? Anyone? What is self-esteem? I will check my chat box because I've muted you all. What is self-esteem? Anybody? सुना है आपने ये शब्द? हाथ ऊपर करो. If you have listened, if you have heard of this word, please put up your hand.
मैम सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट होता है क्या?
Okay, whatever you say, मैं आपको बताती हूँ क्या है.
Okay.
Even if you are right, I will say yes. Rukhsana said this. It is that. ठीक है?
Okay.
What is self-esteem? Very good. Swaraj says a good opinion of your own character abilities. मतलब जब मैंने बोला कि feeling good about oneself, obviously whatever he has said. हाँ रुखसाना बताओ. Have I unmuted you, Rukhsana?
Yes, ma'am. वही है, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट ही है, I think.
बराबर. See, you should respect yourself. That is why I came back to the slide. You feel good about yourself. So that is what is self-esteem. Now, self-esteem जो है, we will talk about this also later. ठीक है? अपने बारे में जो है, I have to think good about myself. Today, if you see, nobody is worthless. Remember that day principal sir had written to you कि everybody is precious in our own way. I had also written the same words to you, right? We are precious in our own way. Why are we precious in our own way? Because all of us, हाँ बेटा, is there anything that you want to share? Okay, so I would say हम सब कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा हम में है. We have something good in ourselves, and we need to appreciate that. So we do have negative qualities, but once you start focusing on your positive qualities, that will boost up your self-esteem. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you following? एक बार आपका self-esteem boost हो गया, obviously you will get the courage, you will be assertive, and your self-confidence is also built in. What is assertiveness? Assertiveness क्या है?
मैम अपने पैर पे खड़ा होना और क्या बोलते हैं जो सामने वाला अपने को अच्छा बोलना चाहिए।
सामने वाला अच्छा बोलना चाहिए. बोल्ड पावरफुल पर्सनालिटी. Someone says confidence. Yes. Anything else? Positivity, confident behavior. Confidence में confident behavior, Vaishnavi has said forceful. Let me just read it again, sorry. Vaishnavi says it's confidence and forceful behavior. Forceful नहीं कहते बेटा, it is like, see, you stress upon the positive acts or positive words of yours, right? Trying to be as positive as possible. So self-esteem plays a very, very, very important role in your confidence, right? Now, when I move on, what are the steps that you build your self-confidence on? See, what I would like you to do, I've already said, whenever you sit for the class, it's better you sit with a paper and pen, right? Even otherwise, when you journalize your thoughts, right? I'm going to say, think about what you already have done successfully in your life. Ruxana, you said कुछ भी नहीं होता है. Banking insurance किसने बोला बेटा आपको लेने को? Parents ने force किया? It is just for an interaction, nothing beyond that. हाँ रुखसाना?
नो मैम मैंने खुद से लिया.
खुद से लिया, करेक्ट. आपको मिला कोर्स? आपको मिला तो that was something successful, right? Soon after your school, whatever you had wanted, you did that, right? And you had also focused on what you did and achieved, correct?
Yes.
आपने कुछ अचीव किया था उस टाइम, भले छोटे हो बड़े हो, to you it was an achievement. तो आपको थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आया वहां पे?
Yes ma'am.
Right? All others, are you with me? When you were able to do something what you wanted, are you able to, get a little bit of confidence? So list down anything that is successfully done by you, right? That which you had wanted, you had got. Maybe you had wanted a mobile phone and you had earned it and you had got it, right? And then a list of your achievements and success. And I'm sure हमें बचपन से लेके आज तक अगर हमने लिखा होता तो we will have n number of बचपन से लेके. When I say you learned to talk, that was an achievement. You learned to say a few words. You learned to say, today I call you upon a stage and make you speak, and you speak successfully. That itself is an achievement, correct? So everything, small, big, jo bhi hai, they are all achievements and success in your own way, and they have to be appreciated. समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes ma'am.
Identify your skills, strengths, talents, abilities. I would add even resources to this. कल मैंने resources की बात की थी when we spoke about Adira. You remember? Yes. So when we speak, identify your skills, talents and abilities. जो आपके अंदर है, सब में कुछ ना कुछ होगा, right? No one is a waste. If you have been created, you have been created with a purpose. समझ में आ रहा है? So when you've been created with a purpose, let us focus on that. Let us be purposeful, right? And when I focus on my strengths and abilities, obviously my willpower will be increased, correct? मुझे ये करना है. Willpower I talk about in terms of determination. I'm going to mute. Yes, right. Right. So when I focus on my strengths, I will increase my determination. जब मैंने वो किया, ये कर सकती हूँ. Are you able to follow? Yesterday I gave you an example, like I want to lose my weight. So in 5 years time 15 kgs मुझे lose करना ही है. तो मैंने क्या किया उसके लिए? I made some action goals. I will meditate, right? I will do exercises. I will practice walking every day. ये सब मैंने लिखा था. And I will set a diet plan for myself, follow the diet plan. तो रोज रोज जब मैं देख रही हूँ मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ और एटलीस्ट वंस अ वीक आई रिकॉर्ड, तो मेरा एक डिसिप्लिन ऑब्वियसली आ जाता है, मेरा विल पावर उसमें बढ़ जाता है, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट वी सी. एंड एज आई सेड, सेट स्मॉल सिंपल परफॉर्मेंस गोल्स, इसको ही हमने कहा था. याद है आपको कल व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू क्लासिफाई योर गोल्स? गोल्स आर performance and outcome goals, personal, professional goals, and they need to be smart. Do you remember what we spoke in the last 2 days? I see some chat messages here. Okay. Ma'am, when I passed 12th, I want to do a job. After some time, I got a job. Yes. Do you want to elaborate on that? 7171 BFA 6. आपको elaborate करना है इसके ऊपर? Okay. And then I developed a positive attitude. When do I develop a positive attitude? When I succeed in a small thing. जब मुझे बोलने को आया, I developed a positive attitude. जब मुझे चलने को आया, I developed a positive attitude. I started traveling alone. I developed a positive attitude. When I got my own mobile phone, I developed a positive attitude. Right? समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all with me?
Yes, ma'am.
और मेरे इसमें मैं क्या बोलती हूँ? I can do it. Correct? I can do it. मैं कर सकती हूँ. Vaishnavi has raised her hand. Do you want to say something, Vaishnavi? Or by mistake? हाँ बेटा, 7171. Can you raise your hand? I'll unmute you. Yeah, I'll unmute you here.
By mistake है मैम वैष्णवी का.
हाँ बेटा?
वैष्णवी ने by mistake किया.
Okay.
Raise hand.
Okay, no problem. 7171. आपको कुछ बोलना है यहाँ पे? Type out, type out. चलो. No, ma'am. Okay, we proceed. I developed a positive attitude when I was able to achieve small successes in my life, right? And when I gave a motivational talk, I can do this. मैं कर सकती हूँ. मुझे job लेना है. अच्छा, रुखसाना, can I ask you
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more question?
Yes, ma'am.
See, now when you told me, जो सोचते हैं वो नहीं होता है, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप अभी तक, why can't we reflect on your positive achievements? Like you finished your class 10, you finished your class 12, today you have reached your graduation second year, right? You just have a year more, correct? ये सारा आपको positive दिख रहा है. जब आप इधर तक आ सकते हो, can we not achieve even that?
Yes, ma'am. कर सकते हैं. यहाँ
कर
तक आ गए
सकते
तो
हो,
आगे भी
right?
जा.
Is it
Yes,
giving you a
ma'am.
little bit of confidence?
Yes, ma'am.
So start setting your performance goals and try करके देखो, you will definitely achieve it. Immediately नहीं, the amount of resources that you need to gather. उसके बाद ही हम achieve कर सकते हैं, and you have to work towards it. Your goals cannot be चलो नहीं हो रहा है देख लेती हूँ, then it doesn't work, right? We need to be determined. And what
Yes.
we wear often affects how we feel. This is very, very, very true. जो कपड़े आप पहनते हो, राइट? महंगी की बात नहीं करते हैं हम. ये महंगा कपड़ा पहनो तो आपको पॉजिटिविटी आता है, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. You will have to be looked upon when they look at your clothes. आपका जो clothes है ना, एकदम
Yes.
neat, tidy, and they should be washed or laundered, pressed, and free of crease. Do you agree with me on this? जब अच्छे
Yes, ma'am.
कपड़े पहनो तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली पॉजिटिविटी आता है। आपको क्यों बोलते हैं जब इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं गो इन फॉर्मल्स? आधी
Yes.
कॉन्फिडेंस आपको उसी में आ जाती है, राइट? दैट इज व्हाई वी इंसिस्ट ऑन फॉर्मल्स, राइट? कलर ऑफ क्लोथ्स एंड क्लीन क्लोथ्स, वेरी गुड, राइट? And then body posture, walk erect, look straight, right? All these things matter a lot. When you sit, don't have a bend. So obviously when you're doing all these things, आपका confidence बढ़ता है. And you act confidently. Act confidently in the sense, can somebody elaborate on that? Ashwati, you have something to say? Ashwati, go on. I've unmuted you. Okay, fine. So when I act confidently, मेरी आधी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती है। आई माई सेल्फ फील, मेरे अंदर ही एक है कि देयर इज एन इंस्टिंक्ट टेलिंग मी लाइक आई कैन डू दिस। आर यू फॉलोइंग? आर यू विथ मी?
Yes, ma'am.
एंड लेट योर वॉइस बी हर्ड। देखो अभी यस
Yes,
जब
ma'am.
बोलते हो, ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू स्पीक अलाउड, आई म्यूट बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट द बैकग्राउंड नॉइज, राइट? आप जब मुझे, आई वांट एवरीबॉडी टू बी heard, I want everybody to speak up, but unfortunately for the settings like background noise may I am getting disturbed. Otherwise when you want to be heard, you're always welcome to raise your hands. Har jagah, not just here. You have to be heard means you have to speak aloud, speak confidently. Any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
Just go through the points. In case you have a doubt, take a minute. Take a minute and then go through the points, and I will, and if you have a question, raise your hand. You will be heard. Are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we proceed?
Yes.
Okay. I repeat some important things. These four itself, if you practice, ye 4 points also, 5 points also, if you practice, completely you will gain solution, right? Or completely you will gain confidence. In summary, if I say, dress nicely, neatly, color, sober color होना चाहिए, jazzy color नहीं होना चाहिए. Have positive thoughts. I can, I will do it, right?
Yes.
Start with a small step. जब चलते हो, not just that. It is also talking about when I spoke about performance goals. Every day, day-to-day goals जब set करते हो, start with that. And always wear a smile. It has to be a genuine smile. It's not a faking smile, artificial smile nahi. You have to have a genuine smile which has to come out of your heart. And हर time focus on the solution, not the problem. ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है, क्या इस तरीके से उसे कर सकते हैं? Are you following? Did you
Yes, ma'am.
understand? Any
Yes.
doubts so far?
No.
No, ma'am.
Again, the moment you get up, रोज एक reminder बना लो. It is not difficult to practice these, right? When I want to be confident, the moment I wake up, what did I tell you last time? When you wake up, I told you to spend 2 minutes and do something. याद है आपको? जब हमने गोल सेटिंग का क्लास लिया था, in the last 2 days, कल या परसों आपको मैंने कुछ बोला था. I told you take 2 minutes out every day. Who remembers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah, what did I say? Can you speak up? क्या बोला था मैंने आपको? 2 मिनट निकालने को
2
बोला था.
मिनट अपने, yes, 2 मिनट अपने आप के लिए दो.
हाँ, बस इतना ही बोला। I said something. I said, the moment you wake up, take 2 minutes out, write down your daily activities, either something positive about yourself or write down what you want to do. बोला था आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
So we wear the moment you get up, एक genuine smile, start practicing it. It's not difficult, correct? कोई आपको पूछने नहीं वाला है, क्यों हंस रहे हो? Right? So let
Yes,
it be a genuine smile, and then look into the mirror. These are called as auto suggestion techniques. इसको बोलते हैं हम auto suggestion techniques, wherein I say I am in the best spirit of myself. They are also called as affirmations. Affirmation मतलब positive thought मैं खुद को दे रही हूँ. खुद को जब positive thought देती हूँ, वो मन में रह जाता है, subconscious mind में चला जाता है, right? जब subconscious mind में चला जाता है, जब हमने belief देखा था, याद है? 2 हाथियां थे, एक छोटा सा हाथी था, बचपन से जब उसको बड़ा पोल में टाई किया गया था, इट ट्राइड एंड इट कुडंट गेट आउट ऑफ इट, तो इट स्टॉप ट्राइंग, वैसे ही खड़ा है। जैसे वो बड़ा होता है तो भी वो वैसे ही खड़ा है, बिकॉज इट्स उसके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में है कि मैं ये रस्सी टूट नहीं पाऊंगा एंड आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू गो आउट, करेक्ट? सो
yes,
वैसे ही हम पॉजिटिविटी ट्राई करें. We start telling ourselves, I'm in the best spirit today. I look good. I will achieve my goals. I retain my confidence throughout the day. These are some positive affirmation. There are a lot. You can even Google search and then find out that which suits you. These are some of the general ones. Look into the mirror. अपने आप को देख के बोलो जैसे तुम दूसरे लोगों को बोलते हो. Are you following?
yes, ma'am.
Any doubts here?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Okay.
और अभी हम लोग बैठे
Now, so we start with our lifestyle changes. थोड़ा बहुत हमें भी बदलना पड़ेगा, right? You have to eat healthy. How many of us eat healthy? Not during this corona period. उसके पहले कितना healthy खाते थे हम? घर का खाना ही पसंद करके खाएंगे, ऐसे कोई है?
No, ma'am.
All of us
No,
want.
ma'am.
Yes, Swaraj. Wait, I'll unmute you.
No, ma'am.
Swaraj, you wanted to say something? Unmute yourself and talk if you want to say something. Okay. So, eat healthy. Most of the time you see, ma'am, I was eating healthy food. That was very good that you were eating healthy food. But then, those who were like practicing to eat outside, most of the time, the Chinese bell हमारे college के बाहर खुला था, देखा आपने? देखा है कभी? There
Yes,
was
ma'am.
college crowd all the time around them, right? We don't know how healthy it is. So now, when we talk about other times, अगर हम तभी healthy खाए होते, तो maybe our immunity level must have gone up, right? And then when we eat healthy, अंदर से हमें inner strength आ जाता है. एक physical health also canteen में बंद. रिचा, okay. Eat healthy food. When we eat healthy food, we are going to have healthy life. We are going to lead a healthy life. When we lead a healthy life, obviously, physical health अच्छा होता, वो that itself gives you confidence. Meditate. Meditate is like you are, I mean, taking time out for yourself separately. You're controlling your thoughts. When you control your thoughts, you get your mind control. Mind control में आ जाता है because for even
पिसुटाओ
When your mind is under control, negative thoughts andar ghusne mein bhi you can control. When you can control your thoughts, obviously negative thoughts don't come into your mind. You're going to exercise. Body को stretch करते, walk करते, jog करते. But you know, we have always got into this habit. जब हमें काम नहीं रहता है, we could have done any of these things, meditate, take deep breath या जो भी है. But instead, what do? We sit with our mobile phones. Do you agree with me on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Half
ma'am.
the time we are on the mobile phone. 24 hours में 20 घंटा मोबाइल फोन के बिना नहीं चलता है. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I do agree it is useful, but then हमेशा हम useful चीजें करते हैं. My meeting will end here, and maybe I need to renew it again. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll do one thing. Let's